In this video, we're going to tell you why cats are so smart. Number 10. They can learn from watching other cats. Have you ever seen two cats interacting? One of them is often sitting back while the other one is doing all the work. The cat that is sitting back is not just being lazy. He or she is actually figuring out what the other cat is doing and thinking about how to do it themselves. Cats have been observed solving puzzles by watching other cats solve them first. It's like watching a YouTube tutorial. In the wild, this is very helpful for cats because they can learn new skills without having to try and figure it out on their own. This is called social learning, and it's one of the reasons why cats are so smart. No. Their brains are bigger than dogs. Even though cats are smaller than many dog breeds, their brains are actually bigger. On average, a cat's brain weighs about 20 to 30 grams more than a dog's brain. This extra weight may not seem like much, but it's enough to make a difference in terms of intelligence. In general, the size of an animal's brain is related to how smart it is. For example, humans have much bigger brains than cats, which is why we're able to do things like write novels and solve complex math problems. Of course, bigger doesn't always mean better. There are plenty of dumb humans out there. But in general, it's safe to say that a cat's bigger brain helps to make it smarter than a dog. 8. They have excellent memories. Have you ever played a game of hide and seek with your cat? If so, you know that cats are really good at finding you, even if you hide in places where you think they won't be able to find you. That's because cats have excellent memories when it comes to remembering where certain things are located. In one study, researchers taught cats to push a lever to get food. After the cats learned how to do this, the researchers stopped giving them food for a week. When they started giving the cats food again, the cats were able to remember where the lever was and how to use it, even though they had used it in a week. This shows that cats have excellent memories, which is one of the reasons why they're so smart. 7. They're good problem solvers. If you've ever tried to puzzle train a cat, you know that they're really good at figuring things out. In one study, researchers put a group of cats in a box with a piece of food just out of their reach. The cats were then observed to see how they would go about getting the food. What researchers found was that all of the cats were eventually able to figure out how to get the food, even though each cat had to use different strategies. Some cats pushed and shoved at the food until it fell down, while others managed to somehow flip the box over. But all of the cats eventually figured out how to get the food, which shows that they're good problem solvers. This is another reason why cats are so smart. 6. They're curious. Have you ever noticed how curious your cat is about everything going on around them? They love to explore new things and figure out how they work. This curiosity is one of the reasons why cats are so smart. It allows them to learn new things and solve problems. Researchers believe that a cat's curiosity is driven by their need to hunt in the wild. Cats need to be able to hunt effectively in order to survive. In order to hunt effectively, they need to be curious and inquisitive in order to learn about their environment. 5. They're independent. We've all heard the saying that cats are independent creatures. And it's true. Unlike dogs, cats don't need to be constantly told what to do. They're able to figure things out for themselves. This independence is one of the reasons why cats are so smart. It allows them to learn from their mistakes, and also to learn new things on their own. Researchers believe that a cat's independence is due to their solitary nature. In the wild, cats are often solitary creatures. They don't live in groups like dogs do. This means that they have to rely on themselves more than dogs do. As a result, they're more likely to be smart enough to figure things out for themselves. 4. They can hunt. Cats are natural-born hunters. They're able to track down prey and bring it home to eat. This hunting ability is one of the reasons why cats are so smart. It requires them to be quick thinkers and problem solvers. Researchers believe that a cat's hunting ability is due to their predatory instincts. Cats are carnivores, which means that they need to hunt in order to survive. This has led to them developing some amazing hunting skills. 3. They communicate with humans. Cats are able to communicate with humans using a variety of vocalizations and body language cues. This communication ability is one of the reasons why cats are so smart. It allows them to get what they want from humans, such as food or attention. Researchers believe that a cat's ability to communicate with humans is due to their domestication. Cats have been domesticated for thousands of years, and during that time, they've learned how to communicate with us in order to get what they want. No. 2. They have excellent night vision. Cats have excellent night vision, which allows them to see well in low light conditions. This night vision ability is one of the reasons why cats are so smart. It allows them to hunt at night when their prey is most active. Researchers believe that a cat's night vision is due to their evolution as nocturnal hunters. Cats are crepuscular, meaning that they're most active at dusk and dawn. This is when their prey, such as rodents, are also active. As a result, cats have evolved to have excellent night vision in order to hunt more effectively. Number 1. They can see in color. Contrary to popular belief, cats can actually see in color. They just don't see as many colors as humans do. Researchers believe that a cat's color vision is limited to blue and green, but that they can also see shades of yellow and orange. This color vision ability is one of the reasons why cats are so smart. It allows them to camouflage themselves when they're hunting. If you agree with the points we made in this video, let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Subscribe for more amazing videos about cats. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.